Today I am reviewing the MINISFORUM AI X1 Pro-370 mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. At the heart of the AI X1 Pro-370 is AMD's latest Ryzen AI 9HX370 processor, featuring 12 cores and 24 threads. This chip is based on AMD's Zen 5 architecture and can boost up to 5.1 GHz, offering a smooth, responsive experience even under heavy multitasking. Whether you're compiling code, editing 4K videos, running virtual machines, or just opening dozens of browser tabs, this processor keeps everything fluid. Now, what makes this processor truly unique is its AI capability. It delivers up to 80 TOPS of total processing power with a neural processing unit, or NPU, alone handling up to 50 TOPS. That means it's ready to handle modern AI workloads, including machine learning models, real-time image processing, and advanced collaboration tools. And yes, it supports Microsoft Copilot. So, if you're using Windows 11, you get a built-in AI assistant that helps summarize long articles, write emails, brainstorm content, or manage daily tasks. It's not just a PC, it's a productivity copilot. When it comes to graphics, the MINISFORUM AI X1 Pro-370 is equipped with integrated AMD Radeon 890M graphics, running on RDNA 3.5 architecture. This GPU isn't just good for display output, it's actually a powerhouse for light to moderate gaming, 3D rendering, and video editing. With a graphics frequency of 2,900 MHz, it can handle content creation apps like Adobe Premiere, Blender, and Photoshop with ease, and still deliver smooth gaming performance in popular esports and AAA titles at 1080p or even higher. This mini PC isn't short on memory either. It comes pre-installed with a jaw-dropping 96GB of DDR5 RAM clocked at 5,600 or even 6,400 megatransfers per second, depending on your configuration. That's more than enough for professional-grade multitasking, huge datasets, or memory-intensive virtual environments. Storage-wise, you get a massive 2TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, ensuring lightning-fast read and write speeds. And here's the best part, it's expandable. You can add up to 2 more PCIe SSDs and scale the total storage to an impressive 12 terabytes. Connectivity is another area where this system shines. It has not one, but 2 USB 4 ports, plus HDMI and DisplayPort for up to 4 simultaneous displays. That's perfect for stock trading setups, multi-monitor creative work, or simply maximizing workflow efficiency. It even includes dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports for high-speed wired networking and advanced setups like firewalls, routers, or network isolation. On the wireless side, this PC supports Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, which means ultra-low latency, ultra-fast transfer speeds, and better range compared to previous generations. Whether you're streaming high bitrate video or transferring large files over the network, this machine keeps up without breaking sweat. There's also a very notable addition for serious power users, OCuLink support. OCuLink is a high-speed interface for external GPUs. It runs at PCIe 4.0x4, giving you up to 64 gigabytes per second bandwidth, significantly more than Thunderbolt 4 or USB 4. That means you can pair this already powerful mini PC with a dedicated external GPU if you need even more rendering or gaming horsepower. In terms of design and build quality, the X1 Pro continues MINISFORUM's clean and compact aesthetic. It's ideal for space-limited desks, minimalist setups, or professionals on the move. The thermal design is also impressive, with efficient cooling to keep performance stable under load without excessive fan noise. In conclusion, the MINISFORUM AI X1 Pro-370 isn't just a mini PC. It's a full-fledged workstation, gaming rig, AI assistant, and creative hub all rolled into one compact, future-proof device. If you're a power user, content creator, AI developer, or just someone who demands top-tier performance in a small package, this machine checks all the boxes.